Hi, welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Sipsky, your host. Today I want to talk about Windows 11 and how you most likely won't be able to install on your older laptops, especially when they're 3 years and older. Let's talk about it right now. Alright, so you're excited to install Windows 11 onto your laptops and desktop. I was anyway. I thought maybe I could install Windows 11 on my laptop and desktop and play around with the Android app feature that they were implementing. But lo and behold, I realized all my computer, including the one I have that is very powerful, the i7, the 8th generation with the GTX 1080 Ti graphic card, thinking that that is, the most powerful desktop I have, and it should be compatible with the Windows 11. Guess what? Nope. And I'll tell you two things. Number one, if your CPU, that is the main processor, is older than 2018, okay? So in other words, if it's 2018 and older, most likely it is not going to be compatible with Windows 11. The reason I know this is because I have a list of the CPU. Now I'm talking about Intel only, okay? You can check the AMD chip and other chip online. I'll post that on the link below. But I'm talking about Intel because all my computer is, except for one that's AMD chip, but the Intel, I looked it up. All my computer is older than 2018, so it's not compatible. I was looking at the i3, and the latest chipset is, I think it's the 8100 or something like that. Let me just check quickly. It said, yeah, so the i3 8100, that's correct. And then if you check i5, same thing, and i7. The only one that is, younger than 2018, maybe 2017, late 2017, is the i7. I believe it's the, yeah, so i7 7800X. Again, that's a very powerful chip, and most of you probably don't have that. So that's one issue, right? The CPU. So if you have a computer that is older than 2018, most of you won't be able to install Windows 11. Okay, that's number one. Number two, you have to have a security processor. Now, I didn't know what that is until I download the app that tells me whether my system is compatible or not. So I tried it on my most powerful desktop that I use to edit my videos, and guess what? It's not compatible. And the problem is, they said device security is not compatible, is not secure enough to run Windows 11. So you have two issues here. The CPU is not the latest, greatest, right? And number two, your security processor is also not up to date, so it's not secure enough. So I would say most of you, most likely if you're going to upgrade to Windows 11, will have to buy at least a 3 years old laptop or desktop that has a very good security processor in them. Yeah, so this Windows 11 is not really upgradable for most of us. Alright, so anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of disappointing because I was looking forward to installing it so I can try out the Android app through Amazon and see how it works. For me, it was more about trying it out, have fun with it. It's not necessary I'm going to be using it for most of the stuff. Ideally, of course, when you're running Android, it should be Android fully compatible devices and not Windows Android kind of thing. It's going to kind of not work properly. So at this point, Windows 10 is fine with me, Windows 8 and 7, and even Windows XP that I have on my smaller laptop, very old laptop, and it's working fine, especially when I'm playing games that is 10 years old. I enjoy running on my Windows XP, and when I'm surfing the web, I use Windows 7, 8, and 10. Not a problem with me. So I'm happy where I am right now with the Windows 10. I might get a new computer, like a low spec computer that is compatible with Windows 11, just to try out the Android app. But at this point, I'm not that excited anymore because I was thinking maybe I could upgrade some of my laptop. It seems that's not going to work, and I'm sure you're facing the same thing. All right? Anyway, so don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.